In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search eBay for the hottest selling items and prices. If you've ever wondered what buyers are actually paying on eBay, not just what sellers are asking, this quick process will give you real market data you can trust. We'll start broad, then narrow in to see only items that have truly sold, so you can price confidently, spot demand, and avoid guesswork. First, head to ebay.com. In the main search bar, type a simple, general keyword. Let's use watch as our example. Keeping it broad at the start helps you see the full range of what's moving in that category, from brands and styles to conditions and price points. You'll notice suggested terms as you type. Those can hint at popular searches, but for now, we'll stick with the basic keyword. Next, look for the advanced link near the search bar. Click Advanced. This takes you to eBay's more powerful search page where you can focus on real buyer behavior rather than just active listings. It's a crucial step because it filters out unsold items that might be overpriced or simply not in demand. On the Advanced page, find the option labeled Sold Items and click it. Sold Items tells eBay to show you only listings that actually ended in a sale. That means you're looking at confirmed transactions, not wishful pricing. On the results page, sold prices typically appear in green, and you'll see the date they sold, which helps you understand how current the market is. If a listing shows that an offer was accepted, remember the final number might not display exactly, but it still confirms that buyers are transacting in that range. Finally, click Search. Your results now reflect real closed sales for your keyword. Take a moment to scan what you see. Pay attention to the listing titles and photos to understand specifics like brand, model, size, materials, and condition, new, used, or parts only. Note the sold date to see how recent the sale was and check whether shipping was included or paid by the buyer, since that can affect perceived value. As you scroll, look for patterns. Clusters of similar items selling around the same price suggest a reliable going rate. Outliers, either very high or very low, often signal differences in condition, completeness, authenticity, or presentation. That's it. By typing your keyword, using Advanced, selecting sold items, and running the search, you've turned eBay into a powerful market research tool. Use these results to set smarter prices, source more confidently, and understand what's truly hot right now.